Hey guys, welcome back to another video to Rage Network. Today we are playing with some slime, and I have this cool music in the background. If you guys can recognize what video this is from, it's like a while ago I did like a slime video again, and I used this. It was kind of bad. I used it for an intro. Oh my god! Like I'm watching it, and my hair was like not done. I was in like a crop top and shorts, so not fun. And I'm not my original setup now because we were doing a Chillax video of playing with slime because I don't have any video ideas besides another one which is coming up. Probably I'll upload it tomorrow. Yeah, I can't like spoil anything for that. It's not very exciting, but yeah. This slime is kind of small. It's named Bubblegum Dream, and it's only in a 2-ounce can. It's not even 2 ounces because the can's a little bit bigger than the slime itself. So I got this from the slime kit I made. I had to fix it so much, like. But yeah, so it wasn't very good. Sorry, I'm getting a drink right now. You can't see it. That will copyright. Yeah, it's kind of bad for you, but whatever. So this is called Bubblegum Dream. I don't know why. Wait. Okay, I had a slime kit, but I'm pretty sure I ordered this one offline. Because I don't remember naming it Bubblegum Dream. It was on the lid. But what else? So I think I ordered this one offline because I did order some offline. But yeah. The ASMR. So it definitely does need a little bit of lotion or something because it's kind of rippy. You can't see it in the video, but like I can feel it. Ah! It's clickier in this because it's thicker. Ah! See, it's a lot smaller. It's gone. Ah! Alright, on to this one, which is unicorn slime. Now I didn't make this one because I used pink, blue, and purple, and it turned into this color, and I added foam beads. I'm sorry, it's kind of, it's like overflowing in the container. That's how big it is because I added a ton of lotion to this because it's kind of tough. It is a little bit now, but not as bad. It's kind of like a good consistency of slime. It's definitely rippy. Sorry, you probably couldn't see that the whole entire time. It's not good, but it's kind of clicky, I guess. I mean, I have a better slime than this that I haven't shown yet. But yeah, it's a good slime, at least. It's not the best slime, but it's not the worst. Like I have the worst slime. So I like my slimes runny, but I don't like them super duper hard like this. That's what she said. But anyway, I don't like them like super hard and like tough and everything. So we'll definitely need to add lotion to this one. Not as much as the Bubblegum Dream. So the next one I did not make. I actually bought. Well, I bought the next two. I think that was the only one I've made. This one I actually kind of played with earlier. The other ones I haven't played with in a long time. Yeah, one second. There we go. Alright. Just a heads up, if you guys haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to see my awesome videos and to see more uploads like this. More uploads like this, mate. Alright. So this is, I'm pretty sure it's called Sky, and the foam beads are the clouds. I don't know. Why do these all have foam beads? The next one does not have foam beads, by the way. Let's play with them. It definitely needs lotion. I think it's because I haven't played with these. Oh, it's probably because it's because it's not as it's just tough, but it still is rippy. The next one is, I don't remember what it's called because it's been a while, but I'm pretty sure it's butter slime. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, after we need to get out of the bag, we're gonna just kind of stare at this in beauty. Look at this. I'm not looking at the camera. Oh, my eyes. Alright. Look at it. Wow. Wow. This is some good slime. I guess we get to rename this. So it's kind of beige off-white color, skin color, you know, with gold glitter. Moving the camera down a little bit. You can see. So it's not clicky, but I'm pretty sure that's because it's kind of, butter slime, you know. It's like getting like harder. There's our ASMR. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this short little video of relaxation. If you guys relax and let me know. Like the video, subscribe, hit that bell, and comment down below what's your favorite color. Alright, peace.